Hi, I'm Susan. I have to admit I'm quite upset with myself because I filmed the opening and then didn't film the process to this video. So this is going to be a very short video, and I'm just going to show you what I've done. I am participating in week 5 of the 2023 CW Challenge, which is Crossword, hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Design. And we get to do whatever we want. The only thing is to use these spaces to spell out something. And I spelled out wishing him good night because she looks kind of coy there, and I love the idea of doing blue, so I went with blue with her dress, and I just did some gold splatters and some white splatters and just added in some flowers with blue in them. Some are fussy cuts and some are washi stickers, and I added this little Paris card that I had laying on my desk. So I hope you enjoy this page, and I hope you'll go by and check out Nellie and Ruth Designs. Barbie is so talented. She's funny, and I have to show something. What to do with it? She sent me this. I thought it was so sweet. I got this as Happy Mail, and it's a little tiny ephemera holder, and isn't that the cutest thing? In fact, that piece came out of it right there, and I just thought that was so nice of her to be thinking of me. So I hope you'll go by and check out her channel. She does some of the most fun, surreal things, art pieces that I want to try. I've got to get up the nerve to try. So y'all check out her channel and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Challenge. And why not participate? There's not very many of us participating right now. It's a relatively new challenge, but we can decorate any way we want. And the crossword is the only thing that requirement. So y'all have a great and wonderful day, and until next time, maybe I'll have this video showing how I did this. Y'all have a great wonderful day. Bye y'all.